Step into the realm where Earth's beauty transcends logic and its miracles defy explanation. Explore the weirdest places on our planet, where nature's enchanting oddities captivate and perplex in equal measure. Let's explore some of the weirdest places on the planet. Today we will visit. Situated in Bolivia, Salar de Uyuni spans over 10,000 kilometers, making it the largest salt flat globally. The formation of Salar de Uyuni traces back to the evolution of lakes. Today it is a part of the Altiplano region within the Andes Mountains. During the rainy season, it transforms into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky above, creating an otherworldly experience. The salt layer covering Salar de Uyuni holds around 10 billion tons of salt. It has around 70% of the world's known lithium reserves. During the season, between November and March, a thin sheet of water blankets the salt flat, creating a breathtaking mirror-like illusion. Despite its climate, Salar de Uyuni harbors species of flamingos and other fauna that have adapted to thrive in its extreme surroundings. The area surrounding this place is also known for its geysers, hot springs and vibrant mineral-rich lagoons. Many tourists flock to the salt flat, attracted by its beauty, photo opportunities, and the chance to explore nearby sites like Inkawasi Island. The indigenous people of Salar de Uyuni hold beliefs about this area, considering it sacred. For generations they have been extracting salt from here, a tradition that continues today with the local communities harvesting salt from the flat. We hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.